Around 800 acres of land in Mumbai's RA has been declared a reserve forest. That's what Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has announced. The land was the focus of a bitter row in September and October last year between the environmental activists and the then BJP-ruled Maharashtra government, which wanted to cut down 2,700 trees to build a car shed for the metro project. The proposed car shed, the Chief Minister has said, would now be shifted to Kanjurmarg, adding that there would be no escalation in cost because the state already owns the land there. The Chief Minister thanked his son, Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray, who was at the forefront of the campaign to save the RA trees, and officials from the Mumbai Metro as well. The Chief Minister also directed the withdrawal of all police cases filed against RA protesters. Let's go across to Purva Chitnis for more on this. Purva, the Green Warriors have been fighting relentlessly to save the RA forest. A victory for them today.
Absolutely. In fact, 3 points which are very important that you mentioned. RA, about 800 acres of RA is now declared as forest. Now, remember, just a month ago, CM Uddhav Thackeray and his cabinet had declared 600 acres. Today, he has said that 800 acres of land in RA will be declared as forest. Second, all the charges against the protesters will be withdrawn now. Now, remember, exactly a year ago, on the 4th and the 5th of October, the dead of the night, about 2,700 trees were cut on the proposed metro car shed. Now, at that time, there were protesters, Mumbaikars, who came and protested against it, and then the charges were levied against them. So now the CM has said that all those charges will be withdrawn. And third, of course, is that the controversial metro car shed now will be shifted to Kanjurmarg area and will be moved from this RA. Now, as you said, that it's a victory for all those environment lovers and people of RA and people of Mumbai. You can see I have with me few localites here who live in this RA, in the Padas nearby. Let's just go across to them and understand what's their feeling at this point of time. सर, आप बताएं, पिछले कई सालों से ये संघर्ष चल रहा था. आज जाके सीएम ने कहा कि यहाँ पे मेट्रो कार शेड नहीं बनेगी. पहली रिएक्शन आपकी ओर से क्या?
पहले तो मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री साहब को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहूँगा और महाविकास आघाड़ी को कि इन्होंने इतना अच्छा निर्णय लिया. ये हमारा संघर्ष से गए 6 साल से शुरू था कि यहाँ पे मेट्रो कार शेड नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसकी वजह से बहुत सी नुकसान होता है. पेड़ जाते हैं, पंछियों का घोंसले जाते हैं, फिर आदिवासी यहाँ पर उनकी ज़मीन जाती है. तो ये फैसला जो अभी लिया है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. दूसरी बात यह है कि उन्होंने जो पेड़ बचाने के लिए जो संघर्ष कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे तो बच्चे से लेके 40-80 साल तक के लोग हर संडे को आ रहे थे, और जब मौका मिले तभी आ रहे थे. उन लोगों ने, सभी लोगों ने यहाँ पे जो संघर्ष किया, उनका आज उनको लगा कि हमारा संघर्ष व्यर्थ नहीं गया है. तो ये बहुत.
की अगर बात करें तो मैडम, आप भी उस टाइम पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी, आप पे भी चार्जेस लगाए गए थे. आज कहा कि वो सारे जो चार्जेस है वो पूरे के पूरे निकाल दिए जाएंगे. आप बताएं.
हाँ, गुनाह दाखिल हुआ था हमारे ऊपर, वो उन्होंने मांगे ले लिया है.
हाँ,
पीछे ले लिया है.
हाँ.
तो आज का दिन तो बहुत अच्छा ही है. कार सेट भी हट रहा है यहाँ से.
मनीषा, आप भी यहाँ पे थी, आप भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी, आप भी को भी डिटेन किया गया है. आज 1 साल बाद आप क्या सोच रही है, क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं?
आज 1 साल बाद इतना अच्छा, मतलब उनसे जो फैसला आया है कि मेट्रो कार शेड जो है कांजूरमार्ग में शिफ्ट किया जा रहा है, उसकी मतलब खुशी, हमें इतनी खुशी हुई है कि हम आज मतलब सब इकट्ठा नहीं हो सकते और मतलब ज़्यादा खुशी दिखा नहीं सकते, लेकिन हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है. और वो संघर्ष भी हमें ऐसे लगता है वो एक संघर्ष था और उससे मतलब ये जीत हुई है हमारी. तो मतलब ऐसे दूसरों को भी प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा कि इससे कि हम संघर्ष तो करके देखते हैं, फिर फैसला आए, अच्छा आए या नहीं आए, लेकिन अभी के जो सरकार ने ये जो फैसला दिया है वो बहुत मतलब खुशी वाला है, और हम अपनी खुशी मतलब किसी को कह नहीं सकते.
So that's what you heard. These are the local people here. They were protesting, and in fact they were the ones who were in the forefront of this entire controversial and although the protest that was going on at RA. And today they are saying that after years of struggle, they have finally got what they were protesting for. It's kind of an inspiration to all others as well who want to, in fact, who want to fight for a cause. So this is what the feeling is right now at RA. These are the local people who were protesting. There were protesters. Now the charges against them will also be withdrawn. And all the environmentalists and Mumbaikars who also came at this very spot. There were protests which used to happen every Sunday. And this is actually the very spot where the protests used to happen. There we saw how human chains used to be formed, and all the protesters, all the Mumbaikars used to come here. So this is somewhere reflecting, this mood is being reflected currently in Mumbai for all those environmental lovers who in fact were fighting to save RA and also for that car shed to be moved somewhere else. Back to you.